How to change your account type on Indeed job search. Hello guys, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your account type on Indeed job search. So the first thing you do is you go to the app, and this is the home page. As you can see, now you go to those three lines here in the up corner, and after that you go to settings, and now choose the first option that says account settings, and after that click on change account type, and here you go. You now have to change from job seeker, looking for a job, or hiring.